welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another plant video. We're gonna be doing a cleaning video today, which is why there's a change in scenery today. I am the very first person to admit that I am not a super clean and organized and like by the books person. I am messy, I'm chaotic, I don't know what's happening half the time. My little repotting area here has had the biggest mess since like January, and I haven't done anything to it. I don't know why. I just can't clean it. I don't know. I've been putting it off. I've been busy with school. I've been doing other things. I've been doing YouTube. It's just never a top priority for me to like keep my space clean, especially when it's my plant room. Like plants are bound to get dirt some places, you know, but it's gotten to the point where I really need to do something about it. I'm getting my grow tent today in probably a few hours. I'm so excited for it. You're probably gonna be watching that video first because I'm gonna post that on Wednesday. The grow tent is gonna be in my plant room, so I can't bring something new in like that with all of this going on behind me. So I am going to be cleaning and taking you guys along with me. I'm actually gonna be separating my plants into plants that I need to repot, plants that are gonna go in my grow tent, plants that I'm gonna be giving away and decluttering. So woohoo! I hope you guys enjoy the video, but yeah, let's see how this goes because I don't really know how I'm gonna film it. Also, I literally have 9 birds in this room. 9 birds. So I'm sorry if the bird noises bother you. I know that for the people who really like my channel, I have never fazed them. I love my birds so much and their song is really pretty, but sometimes when they're feeling a little bit alarmed, they tend to make like cheep, cheep, cheep noises and it gets a little bit annoying. So I'll try to edit out as much of that as I can. But again, let's just go ahead and get into it because I don't know how I'm gonna do this. Yay, new angle. Okay, so those are the birds that are behind me. The bed and this box is where I'm gonna be putting all of the plants. This is my greenhouse. I'm gonna start taking all the plants out now. Okay, so first plant that I'm for sure gonna be putting in my grow tent is this one. I might skip over these because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna make a video on it, but whatever. I think I'm also gonna be putting my Decii in there because my Decii has gotten pretty big. Let's see, who else was I gonna put in here? My Calistophylla, 100% is going in the grow tent. I have to move it for sure. Quick stop in the time lapse to let y'all know that my Lessyasleaves is coming out with new growth. You can't really see it, but they have 2 little growth points right here. So I'm not sure if I should just leave it in the greenhouse or if I should move it to my grow tent and hopefully like it'll grow a little bit faster. I don't know. Okay, so this one I'm undecided. This plant, maybe it could go in the greenhouse just because it seems like this one is like stretching out quite a bit from the previous one, so I feel like it might be needing a little bit more light, but I think I might just end up moving this to the lower shelf or like the bottom shelf. This is how beautiful this plant looks right now. So this is another maybe. So far I have 4 maybes. Okay, so I've totally cleared out my greenhouse. I'm now going to clean that board that's in there. I also have like a little white tray that I'm gonna clean because it has dirt all over it. And then I'm gonna proceed to doing this shelf and then this shelf. So yeah, let's clean. Look at all this dirt that falls from the thing. I cleaned the board and it's looking okay, but look at all that dirt. Okay, so I vacuumed all that up and again, that's clean. So now I just have to put all of the other stuff that I am definitely gonna keep in here back in here so that way I can save a little bit more room out here. But then we're gonna tackle this shelf and this shelf. This is taking a whole lot more energy than I thought that it was gonna take. I'm literally sweating. Like, yes, I have blush on, but I'm sweating and I'm hot and I don't feel comfortable anymore. But I have so many plants that I'm thinking of possibly putting in the grow tent. So I have all of them on my bed right here. I've put all of the plants that I'm for sure keeping in the greenhouse, and my entire top shelf is gone. So that's exciting. Hopefully I can keep it that way and then maybe like buy more plants and put them in there. But I'm hoping that all of these plants, or the majority of these plants, will fit in the grow tent. The grow tent, I don't know why I said it like that. But I'm hoping that it goes that way. And also I'm about to start cleaning off this shelf. So there's a potential that I might move something from over here or on there into there, but I don't think that I'm gonna do that. I'm trying to clear out my greenhouse a little bit so that way I can put more plants in the future. So yeah, that's my progress so far. I'm really warm. I am actually going to be putting my Sandapsis jade into the greenhouse. So we're gonna be doing that. Probably be putting this guy back in because once I took it out, it stopped giving me new growth and the new growth actually came in and broke off. I think I am going to put this guy in there too. And we're definitely not putting these in here. This is going to go with my other water propagations that I seriously need to repot because they've been in water for like ever. Do you see that? I'm basically growing these guys like hydroponically. Also, do you see that dirt? Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not know what I was getting myself into, I guess. But yeah, I actually recently reorganized this, so I'm keeping everything on here, but I do need to take them all off so that I can wipe down the shelves. Another update, I'm literally dying. That windowsill was probably like the worst thing to clean in my entire life. I don't know how I did it. I definitely turned into a pretzel to clean that, and I did the best that I can. So don't judge me when you see the final result, because it still doesn't look that great. I am absolutely dreading cleaning this windowsill. It is bad. But look, my cactus is gonna flower. But yeah, gotta clear that out. I'm definitely putting my Commingiana in my grow tent because you can tell how much it's stretching out. It's supposed to be growing like this, like very close to each other, and it is now growing like that. So I think it needs more light. So hopefully putting it in the grow tent will do that for it. But yeah, let's go ahead and tackle this. I probably should have done it before this one. All right, so I just finished cleaning the shelf, the windowsill, the greenhouse, the other windowsill, and the shelf that's next to my greenhouse. I'm tired. I did not expect that to take so much out of me. It took about an hour and a half to clean all of that. I still need to do the toughest project, I think, and that's cleaning off this table. So that's gonna suck. But I think I'm happy with the way that things are going. I really hope that all of these plants can fit into the grow tent, but if they can't, I'll just end up putting them back into the top shelf of the greenhouse or wherever they were before. I have plenty of room, but yeah, it looks like things are going pretty well. I have a meeting that's starting in like 30 minutes, but we're gonna get through this, I promise. These are all of the plants that are gonna be going into it. I don't expect all of them to fit. I'm pretty sure that I'm gonna end up putting my Polyneura back into the greenhouse. It's doing okay, so there's really no need to do that. And also probably be putting these guys back in. I think these three were the maybes, but all of the rest of them are definitely gonna go in there. Like these are the ones that are 100% going in there because that's too tall, that's too tall, that's too tall, and this is too big. So yeah, and my fitchy eye. So the plants that are pretty much going into my grow tent are the ones that are a little bit tall for my greenhouse. But yeah, these are all of the ones that I'm going to be moving in there. And then over here, I have the ones that I'm going to be potentially decluttering. So this guy I might be giving away. My boyfriend got it for me, so chances are I will not be giving it away. I'm probably going to keep it. It's also the only plant. Okay, I just talked myself into keeping it, so I'm going to keep it. This is horrible. I'm a horrible person. Okay, I'm keeping that. The only things that I'm for sure giving away are these three. These are all going to my friend Alex. We are doing a trade. She's giving me a forgetti and I'm giving her some Hoya. It's not just these, she's also getting some cuttings. But yeah, we're gonna be trading those away. We're also probably going to be getting rid of this one. I got this in a swap, but it's grown so funky. My aunt really likes peperomias, so hopefully she can take care of that. I'm definitely not getting rid of this. That's just there because that's where it lives. But I'm going to be giving these to Alex, and these are all of the plants that I have put into my greenhouse, and those are all of the plants that are on my shelf. So yeah, we're going to be tackling this shelf now. Da, da, da. Okay, so that's gonna be it for today's video. I am wiped out. I have a meeting that starts in 9 minutes on Zoom and I am tired. I am going to do my Zoom meeting and then I'm going to clear the area for my grow tent, but I don't think I'm going to film that because there really aren't any plants over there. Anyway, I am done cleaning my plant room. Woohoo! I'm super happy with the way that it turned out. I feel like I have a lot more room now to grow. I feel like I'm finally mostly dirt free. I do still have this little tray here just in case I end up needing to do stuff later. I have this whole area now. I actually moved with all the plants that I need to repot because they are water propagations that have been in there for way too long and I really just need to repot them. I was mostly holding off because I don't have any leca and I really wanted some of those plants to be hydroponic plants or semi-hydroponic plants, but since I can't go to IKEA right now because we're in quarantine, I'm probably just gonna end up putting them in dirt. Maybe taking them outside and putting them on my porch the way that I have the rest of my plants. Kind of just depends on the plant, but I'm definitely going to be doing a repot with me video with all of those plants because it's gotten pretty ridiculous. And yeah, I think that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the one on Wednesday because I have all these plants that I'm looking at here and I'm hoping that the majority of the ones that I want to fit in there actually fit in there, because I know the grow tent is probably a little small. But yeah, that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and hit the like button down below, and if you like me or you like plant videos, go ahead and subscribe if you want to. But that's gonna be it for today's video, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye!